Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that's been rolling out to insiders in recent days, different versions of the insider rings, is improved File Explorer with different options. So, depending on the ring you are on, and the fact that we are still on controlled release rollouts, so some of you might not see anything. But if you do see something, there are different versions of File Explorer being pushed to the different rings of insiders, and they have different options to make it faster. One of them is that now you'll have an option to preload the File Explorer, and in the options, I don't have it, but there is an option that says preload File Explorer. You can turn it on or off in the different settings, the advanced settings, if you want to preload the Insider, the File Explorer, so that it actually is faster at startup, which also means that it could make your PC a little slower to start up. Another option that is also being pushed is different options in the view pane to actually give you options to make things faster or not. So depending on where you are and what ring you are in the insiders, there's a possibility you might see this. And Microsoft is inviting you to kind of share, do you see differences in speed and performance? And even though Microsoft had said that they fixed it, I had a few comments here on the channel of people saying that they still had white flashes going on in the File Explorer, depending on what they were doing. Microsoft says that within the push to the new File Explorers in the insider rings, the white flash that would show up when you, for example, wanted details or wanted different other options to show up are supposed to be gone. So you can also check that out at the same time. But this is all in an effort, and we talked about it once again, the improvements of Windows 11 for 2026. This is all about trying to make things better. And one of them is they really want to improve the performance of the File Explorer on Windows 11. So hopefully these are going to be interesting pushes that are going to be noticeable and help us have a better experience with File Explorer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.